Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across a page not available error when trying to modify settings in Windows security, and it says page not available. Your IT administrator has limited access to some areas of this app and the item you tried to access is not available. Contact IT Help Desk for more informations. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung command keyword na gpedit.msc, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. So, dito sa local group policy editor, so ang next step ay dito lang sa local computer policy, under dito sa computer configurations ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung administrative templates. So, double click lang tayo dyan. And then dito sa administrative templates, and next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Windows component. So, dito kailangan mo ulit mag-double click. And then dito sa Windows component, and then ang next step ay i-locate lang natin dito yung Microsoft Defender, okay? So ito siya. So makikita mo dito yung Microsoft Defender Antivirus, and dito sa Microsoft Defender Antivirus ay kailangan lang natin mag-double click. And dito lang sa right panel, so makikita mo dito yung settings, and then i-select mo lang dito yung turn off Microsoft Defender Antivirus. So, i-select mo lang yan, and then kailangan mo lang mag-double click and pop up itong kanyang settings. So, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin itong i-disable. So, click mo lang itong disabled, and then click mo lang dito yung apply, and then click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so after dito, so same procedure, dito lang sa settings ulit, and then select mo lang dito yung allow anti-malware services to start up with the normal priority. So, i-select mo lang yan, and then kailangan mo ulit mag-double click and pop up itong kanyang settings. So, dito ay kailangan mo ulit i-disable. So, click mo lang itong disabled, and then click mo lang dito yung apply, and then click mo lang dito yung okay. So, after dito ay close lang natin, at dito lang sa start menu, and then kailangan lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang dito yung restart. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix page not available. Your IT administrator has limited access in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.